one man who had prostate cancer, and he was on a 3-monthly injection, and that 3-monthly injection was to balance his testosterone levels out.
What if I told you that just one simple action done once a week could increase your testosterone levels, improve your physique, and enhance your overall health? Sounds too good to be true? Watch to find out the surprising truth. Ready to dive in? Type "Yes I am" and type where you're watching from, and I'll be sure to give you a heart of appreciation. Don't forget to like and share this video to your loved ones that need it, and also remember to subscribe to our channel to get more healthy tips. Now let's get started. Hang tight to learn more about testosterone and how much impact it can make in your life. How to restore testosterone levels naturally. Testosterone is the key male hormone responsible for muscle mass, energy levels, libido, and overall well-being. However, as men age, testosterone levels naturally decline, often leading to low energy, reduced sexual desire, and even serious health risks like cardiovascular disease and prostate problems. Science has emphasized the critical role of hormonal balance in men's health, stating that many male issues, low sperm count, erectile dysfunction, and prostate problems can be traced back to hormonal imbalances, particularly low testosterone levels. If you've noticed a decrease in libido, less motivation, or difficulty maintaining an erection, your body may be signaling a testosterone deficiency. We had a guy attend our program, and he had prostate cancer. He was mid-60s, and he was on a 3-monthly hormonal injection. He was having hot flushes several times a day and had developed breasts. He made a decision not to have that hormone injection anymore and to begin applying the Anna's Wild Yam Cream. He did something else, so this is number 4. He began to implement the 8 laws of health. We looked at them yesterday. He started to go to bed earlier. He stopped having coffee every morning. He stopped his nightly red wine. He started to implement an exercise program. He cut sugar and meat out of his diet. So he made these changes, which are also important. Remember, we looked yesterday, they are the true remedies. That's the foundation. His wife emailed me 10 months later. She said the flushes have stopped, the breasts have gone down, he has just been tested and his testosterone levels are the best they've been for years. All because he gave his body the right conditions. The problem today is many are ignorant, many don't realize the conditions that their body requires to bring about this balance. But what if there was a natural, science-backed way to restore testosterone levels to those of a 20-year-old? But only if you follow our guide right away. The good news is that simple dietary changes can transform your testosterone production. By incorporating specific nutrient-dense foods into your weekly diet, you can naturally boost testosterone levels, increase energy, improve libido, and enhance overall health. This article reveals the top testosterone boosting foods, backed by scientific research, and how to incorporate them into your daily routine for maximum results. 1. Pumpkin seeds, the zinc powerhouse for testosterone. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they deliver a massive impact on testosterone production. They are one of the richest sources of zinc, a crucial mineral that directly affects testosterone levels and sperm health. Why zinc matters for testosterone. Each cup of pumpkin seeds provides 7 milligrams of zinc, 63% of the daily recommended intake. Zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone into its harmful form, helping men maintain higher testosterone levels. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men with zinc deficiency had testosterone levels up to 50% lower than those with adequate zinc levels. Zinc plays a key role in prostate health. reducing the risk of prostate enlargement and cancer. How to incorporate pumpkin seeds into your diet. 1. Lightly roast them for better flavour and nutrient availability. 2. Sprinkle them over salads, yogurt or oatmeal. 3. Consume 1/4 cup daily, but don't overdo it, as excessive zinc can be harmful. Keynote: zinc-rich power of pumpkin seeds for testosterone. Pumpkin seeds are one of the most potent natural sources of zinc, a crucial mineral for testosterone production and male reproductive health. Why zinc is essential for testosterone? Regulates hormonal balance. Zinc plays a vital role in the production and regulation of testosterone, the primary male sex hormone. Prevents testosterone conversion. Zinc inhibits the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, a form linked to prostate enlargement and hair loss. Supports sperm health. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that men with zinc deficiency had up to 50% lower testosterone levels compared to those with adequate zinc intake. Enhances libido and fertility. Zinc is critical for sperm production, motility, and overall male reproductive function. Boosts energy and muscle growth. Zinc aids in protein synthesis and muscle recovery, both of which are linked to higher testosterone levels. Pumpkin seeds are a natural testosterone booster that supports hormone health, sperm production, and overall vitality. Incorporating them into your diet is an easy and effective way to maintain optimal testosterone levels and enhance male health naturally. Have you ever tried taking pumpkin seeds? Comment natural if you've taken it or want to take it, and learn if you want to know more in the comments. To Brazil nuts, the selenium secret for testosterone production. Few people realize that Brazil nuts contain one of the most important yet rare nutrients for testosterone production, selenium. This essential mineral protects the Leydig cells in the testes, which are responsible for producing testosterone. Why selenium is essential for testosterone. A 2013 Harvard Medical School study found that higher selenium intake was linked to improved sperm quality and testosterone levels. Selenium prevents testosterone decline by reducing oxidative stress in the testes. Selenium deficiency has been linked to low sperm count, reduced fertility, and an increased risk of prostate cancer. How to eat Brazil nuts for maximum benefits. 1. Limit intake to 1 to 2 Brazil nuts per week. Excess selenium can be toxic. 2. Pair them with healthy fats, such as olive oil, to improve selenium absorption. By adding Brazil nuts to your diet, you can naturally boost testosterone, improve fertility, and support long-term hormonal health with just a single nut. If you've taken Brazil nut to boost your testosterone, comment "boost" in the comments, and if you're curious to take the Brazil nuts, comment "curious." 3. Maca root, the ancient adaptogen for hormonal balance. Maca root, a powerful Peruvian superfood, has been used for centuries to enhance male fertility, libido, and energy levels. While maca does not directly increase testosterone, it supports the endocrine system, which helps regulate hormone production. Maca root benefits for testosterone. 1. Contains manganese and macamides, compounds that naturally balance hormone levels. 2. Stimulates the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which controls testosterone production. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that maca root significantly improved libido, energy levels, and sexual performance. How to use maca root in your diet. 1. Add 1 teaspoon of maca powder to smoothies, coffee, or oatmeal. 2. Use gelatinized maca, which is easier to digest and more bioavailable. Key note, maca root and testosterone. Maca root is a natural adaptogen known for its ability to support hormonal balance, enhance libido, and improve male reproductive health. How maca root supports testosterone. 1. Regulates the endocrine system. Maca stimulates the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which indirectly supports testosterone production. 2. Improves sexual health research in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology shows that maca significantly enhances libido and sexual performance, even without directly increasing testosterone levels. 3. It reduces cortisol levels. High stress leads to elevated cortisol, which can suppress testosterone. Maca helps lower stress and balance hormones, preventing testosterone depletion. 4. It boosts energy and stamina. Maca is widely used by athletes for increased endurance, muscle recovery, and overall vitality, which are all linked to optimal testosterone function. 5. It supports fertility. Studies indicate that maca improves sperm count, motility, and overall reproductive health, making it beneficial for men looking to optimize their testosterone. Maca root helps optimize testosterone function by regulating hormones, reducing stress, and enhancing male vitality. While it doesn't directly increase testosterone, it plays a crucial role in supporting the body's ability to maintain healthy testosterone levels naturally. Do you know you can take maca by adding it to your smoothie or coffee? Comment smoothie in the comments if you knew before now, and comment coffee if this is new to you. 4. Cacao, the testosterone boosting superfood. Cacao, the raw form of chocolate, is a natural powerhouse for testosterone production due to its high magnesium content. A tablespoon of raw cacao powder provides 27% of the daily recommended magnesium intake. Why magnesium supports testosterone? A Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism study found that men with low magnesium levels had 20% lower testosterone levels. Cacao is rich in flavonoids, which improves blood circulation and sexual health. How to add cacao to your diet? 1. Mix raw cacao powder into smoothies, coffee, or yogurt. 2. Choose raw cacao over processed cocoa powder to maximize its health benefits. Cacao is a nutrient-dense superfood that supports testosterone production, improves blood flow, reduces stress, and enhances male vitality. Incorporating raw cacao into your diet is a delicious and effective way to maintain optimal testosterone levels naturally. To use cacao to its maximum, combine with healthy fats like almonds or coconut milk to enhance absorption. If you're already using cacao to increase your testosterone, comment almonds in the comments, and if this is new to you and you want to know more, comment, learn. Let's see who's ready to improve their blood circulation. 5. Lean beef, a natural testosterone enhancer. Lean beef is one of the best sources of high quality protein and zinc, both essential for testosterone production. Why lean beef supports testosterone? 1. A 3-oz serving of lean beef provides 5 milligrams of zinc, 33% of the daily recommended intake. 2. Zinc helps trigger luteinizing hormone, LH, which signals the testes to produce testosterone. 3. Contains vitamin B12 and iron, which support energy levels and muscle growth. How to incorporate lean beef into your diet? 1. Choose grass-fed beef, which contains higher omega-3s and supports better hormone balance. 2. Grill or stir fry with vegetables and healthy fats for a nutritious meal. 3. Lean beef is an excellent source of cook with testosterone-boosting herbs like garlic and rosemary for added benefits, like super muscle recovery and strength. If lean beef has helped you recover your muscle, comment muscle in the comments, and if you're planning on using it, recover your strength faster, comment strength. 6. Garlic, the testosterone boosting superfood. Garlic isn't just for adding flavour, it naturally enhances testosterone production thanks to its unique compound allicin. Why garlic helps testosterone levels. 1. Allicin lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that inhibits testosterone production. 2. Rich in selenium and vitamin C, essential for hormonal balance. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that regular garlic consumption lowers cortisol and boosts testosterone. How to use garlic for maximum benefits. 1. Crush fresh garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate allicin. 2. Add it to soups, stir-fries or roasted meats. If you've learned not garlic lower cortisol, comment I know in the comments, and if this is new to you, comment we learn every day in the comments. 7. Greek yogurt, a testosterone-friendly dairy option. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, probiotics and zinc, making it a perfect testosterone-boosting snack. Why Greek yogurt supports testosterone? 120 g of protein per serving, helps maintain muscle mass and hormone balance. 2.1.5 milligrams of zinc per serving, 14% of the daily requirement. 3. Probiotics improve gut health, which is linked to better hormone regulation. How to eat Greek yogurt. 1. To enjoy it as a snack or mix with fruits and nuts. 2. Choose plain non-fat Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars. For those working out to get the perfect body, consume Greek yogurt after exercise to aid muscle recovery and support testosterone levels. And if you're just learning about its workout advantages, comment I want to know more in the comments, and let's give you more tips on how to get the perfect physique. Final thoughts. The ultimate testosterone boosting meal plan. To maximize your testosterone levels, consider combining these powerful foods into your diet. Breakfast. Greek yogurt with pumpkin seeds, cacao and maca powder. Lunch. Lean beef stir fry with garlic and vegetables. Snack. 1, 2 Brazil nuts. Dinner. A salad with pumpkin seeds and a garlic-based dressing. By making these small yet powerful dietary changes, you can restore testosterone levels, boost energy, and enhance overall health. Start today and take control of your hormonal health and vitality. Hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed health and nutrition tips.